So very warm welcome to class 5th, and as usual we have discussed that in every week we will have 1 day for revision, 1 day for activity and 1 day for test. If you all remember, I have discussed in the same manner and we will go along with the same way only. But this activity is also going to be get connected with your normal day-to-day life studies only. That means you will learn something really very new words, new vocab, how to form sentences, how to frame sentences, how to speak in English. These things you all are going to learn in every week, whatever activity I am going to play with you all. Now, today's activity is, do you all have dictionary with you? Do you all have dictionaries?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are having,
No, ma'am.
those who are having,
Yes, ma'am.
those who all
Yes, ma'am.
just take it out fast. Good. Yes, Avni, I can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who are having dictionaries, please take it out fast. Now today I will give you one word, one alphabet, one letter. Okay. With that letter, okay, we have 14 students today. So I am distributing the letters. Everyone I am giving one letter.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon and mute yourself. Children, everyone will get one alphabet today. With that alphabet, you have to search a word, right? That word, you have to frame a sentence. With that sentence, you have to make 5 lines. Right? Getting me? For example, I will tell you one word right now. The word is grade. The word is grade. See, I'm giving you an example, okay? G-R-A-D-E, grade. Okay. So I got a word G. My teacher gave me a word G and I searched a word from it, from that alphabet, that is grade. With this word grade, I will first search out the meaning. क्या ढूंढूंगी मैं इसका? Meaning. Grade means which class, which category. Okay. Where, which grade. So grade means class, categories, these are the meanings. Now with this grade, I will make 5 sentences. 5 sentences. कैसे बनाऊंगी? I will show you. I study in grade 5. Grading a student is really important in a student's life. Once you grade yourself, you can know your own level. Grade a student as per its level, as per its capability. We should never grade a student without any judgment. आया बात समझ में? Got it? So we will
Yes, ma'am.
It's open to you.
Yes, ma'am.
The dictionary is there. If you don't have dictionary, you have mobile, you have everything. You will
Yes, ma'am.
a word. Choice is yours. You're not going to tell me. Keep it in your mind. Write it down. Search the meaning of that particular word. After searching the meaning, frame 5 sentences with that particular word only. उसी वर्ड की हेल्प से आपको 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं।
Ma'am,
5 sentences.
ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Who is that?
Ma'am, clear. Ma'am, आशी. मैम स्टार्टिंग में वॉइस क्लियर नहीं थी। मैम आप स्टार्टिंग में क्या बोले?
अच्छा, तिथि will tell. तिथि,
Ma'am,
what I said now?
ma'am, you will give a letter. Suppose G. We have to make a 5 sentence.
You will find out a word with G.
Yes, ma'am.
You will take out the meaning from the dictionary. Then after you will start making 5 sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write 5 sentences in copy.
Yes, in the copy.
Okay, ma'am.
So, my first
Ma'am.
goes to Suhani. Suhani,
Yes, ma'am.
your letter is A.
Ma'am, but I don't have dictionary.
You have mobile with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Search it.
Okay, ma'am.
Shashwat. Shashwat,
Yes, ma'am.
your letter is C.
B.
C for cat. C.
C.
Suhani. अच्छा, done. Shaurya. Shaurya. Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Your letter is B.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you will give me the letter G and I have to search it about.
Wait now. Let me give.
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Your letter is D. D for Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Maulik. Maulik. E. Maulik, E. E for elephant.
Okay.
Mahi. 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 Not there in the class. Labdi. Labdi.
Yes, ma'am.
G. G for goat.
Okay.
Tithi, stop dancing.
Yes, ma'am.
Jash. Jash.
Yes, ma'am.
H. H for Hyderabad.
My Hyderabad.
Don't tell me now. Janya.
Yes, ma'am.
I.
Ma'am, ice cream.
Don't tell me. Search out new word. Dhairya. धैर्य.
मैम आपको अभी बताना है.
धैर्य.
Yes, ma'am.
के. जे नहीं बोली ना. जे जे जे.
Ma'am, my word.
Whose? तना है ना?
मैम आरव.
ओके आरव, वेट. के.
ओके मैम.
मैम माय वर्ड नहीं डालना. मैम माय वर्ड.
एल. एल तिथि एल.
यस मैम. एल. माय वर्ड.
अवनी.
Tell the meaning.
अवनी.
Yes ma'am.
एम.
Yes ma'am.
एम.
Okay.
Ma'am, my word.
Raise your hand who has not got. Riddhi. N. N for nest.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else has not got the word? Letter, sorry. Anyone is there? Ashi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashi, O.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you have to search a word which is really tough to find the meaning. कुछ नया word ढूंढो. Find the word, find the meaning, and start making five sentences from that word. Not with the meaning, with that word. Okay, I repeat, find out such hard word which I have never heard. कभी आपने सुना नहीं है. Find out the meaning and make 5 sentences with that word. Your time starts now. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Go. Keep your videos on, children. No one will switch off the video. Only mics will be off. All of you keep your videos on. I want to see. Keep your videos on. Only 5 minutes are there. Janya is sitting quietly. Jash, YM video is off. Maulik, Shashwat, Suhani, Samriti, Dhairya, Kavya, Tanay. Videos on. Titi on. Kavya on. Four minutes left. 4 minutes left. Keep your videos on. Jash, Tithi, Arab, Aram, Dhairya. Janya, don't talk to anyone. Three minutes. Wait, Jash. 2 minutes are still left.
Completed.
Wait, beta, wait. 1 minute more.
Ma'am, done.
1 minute more.
I'm done.
Good, good. 1 minute more. Just you have to ask your class teacher, beta. Kritika madam, your maths teacher. Yes. Over.
Yes, ma'am, I have done. Tithijan.
Completed. See, I have completed.
I have completed.
Yes. Now, we will go alphabetical wise and ask you all the word, the sentences. Okay. So let's start with Ashi. Ashi, she has not completed.
Ma'am, sentences.
Avni,
Yes, ma'am.
your word please.
Ma'am, my word is mastery, and my five words, five sentences are: he has a mastery in science. That boy always pretends to be mastery. She master she mastery tricked him and stole his money. The judge solved the problem very masterly. Always show mastery only when needed.
Very good. Very nice. So see, child, you learned a new word. You
Yes, ma'am.
frame sentences and
Yes, ma'am.
word change the meaning in different sentences. उस
Yes, ma'am.
वर्ड ने आपको हर सेंटेंस में अलग मीनिंग दिया. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So this what you have learned today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next chance is to Aram. Aram.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it done?
Ma'am, what?
Word and the sentences.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I don't understand, ma'am. I don't know.
You have just now heard from Avni what she did.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया आपको?
No, ma'am.
I gave a letter to you. आपको मैंने एक लेटर दिया था.
Yes, ma'am.
What was that letter? कौन सा लेटर मिला था आपको?
Mastery.
नो बेटा, ABCDEFG में से मैंने आपको कोई लेटर दिया?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा, wait now. Ashi, is it done? Ashi, is it done?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavya, is it done? Bhavya, is it done? No. Tithi, it is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tithi, start.
My letter is L. Lion is a large animal. First. Second point is lion is a family of a cat. Lion is a symbol in your life. Lion is a symbol of a forest. I love lion so much. Thank you.
Tithi, I asked you to choose a hard word, a new word with L. And then I said to find out the meaning. And then I said to make sentences. Take out your dictionary or your mobile, find out words with L and make the sentences again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vriddhi? Vriddhi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
No, ma'am. I am writing.
Too late. Who is ready? Next. Shaurya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my word is bamboozle.
Yes, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, my word is bamboozle.
Okay, good.
The shopkeeper bamboozled that boy. You had no reason to bamboozle me. He was bamboozled by telling them her debit card number. He bamboozled me into believing that he had lost all his money. He was bamboozled by a thief.
Very good. So all the students came to know about bamboozle, this word, right? New word. Yes? Good job, Shaurya. Next is Shashwat. Shashwat, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
My word is confusion.
sentence. I am a confused salt buzzer. A salt buzzer. I am a confused Max. The boy is confused of puzzle. The man is confused is a game. The the boy is confused by flying a kite.
Good job, beta. But one thing you have to mind it, when you're framing sentence now, you have to link the sentence. Like confused now. So I'm a little bit confused in English grammar. Confusion creates when we don't concentrate in studies. Confusion should not be there in any subject. We should clear our confusion from our teachers. So with the help of that single word, we have used that word in different places in different manner, beta. Okay. So try to use the words in this manner. Yes, Riddhi? Yes, Riddhi? You have raised your hand.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Yes. Acha, by mistake. Labdi? Labdi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My note is ready too. I extend gratitude to my parents for their love. Second, my heart is all gratitude. Third, tears gratitude with her eyes. Fourth, I am full of gratitude to you for helping me. I remember them with gratitude.
Good.
Thank you.
Next is Labdi, you want to say? Labdi? Done.
Ma'am, I have just said.
Okay. Next is Acha, children, tell me what was the art integration topic given to you? Avni?
Ma'am, it was development in Chhattisgarh and the cultures of India.
गुजरात दी थी ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am, the development of Chhattisgarh and Gujarat.
मैम वो तो पहले दिए थे ना मैम, फर्स्ट आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन.
नो इशू, वही अपलोड करना था. नो.
मैम मैंने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे मैम पहले अपलोड कर दिया मैम, वो गुजरात का बना के.
Ma'am,
Next.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you give a project that culture of value of in Chhattisgarh and ma'am, culture of value of India. मैम वो प्रोजेक्ट कब सबमिट करना है?
आप आज ही कर दीजिए.
यस मैम.
Ma'am, the Gujarat one, ma'am, it was you given it in last year, ma'am, in the time of June, July, or August.
That art integration only you have to upload.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who else has done the activity? I can see many have not done. So how many? Swani wants to say. Swani, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Wait. Yes, ma'am. My word is admit. Meaning is become mixed, add as an ingredients. Sentences. First, Rani admits cake for her brother birthday. Second, I admix all colors and one. Third, I admix all seeds and plant them. Fourth,
What is tea? You continue.
Raju admits all bags.
Fifth, I admit all pens.
Only this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Janya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
My word is import. First, so submit something that imported. Second, machinery is one of our imports. The importation of a good education made many things we import other country.
Beta, I think so. You are not clear with your own word. You have to understand that, na? है ना? You have to understand the word, you have to understand the meaning, and then you have to make sentences so that you can learn how to frame sentences by your own self. Right, Janya?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am. मैं
Try to prepare it once.
चैप्टर 1 का मैंने आपको भेज दूंगी.
And
Ma'am, can I say?
Tashi? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
continue.
My word is oud. Oud is a musical instrument of wood that you can play by blowing. My first sentence is oud is a musical instrument. I want to learn how to play oud. She start playing to the oud at the age of 11. My sir play oud very beautifully.
Nice, Ashi. Good. Very nice. Tanay? Tanay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my word is knowledge.
Good.
He had a cricket. Then he demonstrated
We can't hear you, Tanay. Your voice is not audible to us.
she has a good working knowledge of the subject. I accept more knowledge on the subject. Ma'am, he read. We shared our knowledge of 5 wins.
Huh.
And I am not happy. Yours.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
My word is Naivali. The meaning of Naivali is fan knife. In Hindi, bhola bholepan se. It's naive to think that teachers are always tolerant. Jim can be so naive sometimes. It's naive of you to believe he will do what he says. It would be naive of us to think that football is only a game. I can't believe you were so naive as to trust him. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. Good job. So children, I'm really happy that you all did it successfully. Those who were not able to do it, we will discuss in next day's class. Don't worry about it. Don't take tension at all, Aram. Right? So next class we will be having test also. The second.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, problem.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I take other name
No.
in I and
No. No. You have to choose a new word.
ma'am, choose new word and then write
Okay.
and tell you.
Okay. No problem.